Hi friends, this is Dr. Meherji. Learn smart, score high, always. Today I came up with another topic that is understanding journal entries in accounting. What it is, in any transaction, we will see there involve two accounts. One is debited and another one would be automatically credited. It is the typical journal entry. But sometimes two or more accounts on debit side or two or more accounts on credit side, and sometimes surprisingly on both sides we will see two or more accounts. How that will happen we are going to see today. uh, Simple journal entry in this, a only two accounts had, so one debited and one credited. It is very straightforward in any transaction and very easy to understand. So the transactions we are applying the golden rules of accounts or modern accounting equation we will apply and we will write. Example have given here, purchased goods worth 5,000. How it would be, there are in this transaction there are two accounts. One is we purchased goods. Okay, we never write goods, you all knows very well. If it is a recurring purchase, instead of goods, we will write it as a purchases. In the same way, sales also. Don't write goods. If it is non-recurring, okay, furniture we purchased or electric equipment we purchased, in that case only we will write that particular asset name. Here it is goods. Uh, Goods in the sense in which we are dealing with in our business. So that's why it is purchases. Another one is how we purchased. Is it a credit transaction or is it a cash transaction? You see, here a name of other person is not given from whom we purchased. So person is not important. In that case, we have given cash already. So if any name is given, okay, you note down it is a credit transaction. Again, sometimes to issue dear students, they will give goods purchased 5,000 from Khanna for cash. Okay, you see that how beautifully he has framed. If he stop with Khanna, yes, it is a credit transaction, but he extended that for cash. Okay, that is a cash transaction only. If they mention name but are not uh, said about is it is a credit or it is on cash, in that case it is a credit. Name of the person, when it is important, we took goods worth 5,000 from that person and we have to pay that worth money to him in future. That's why we noted down his name. Otherwise name is not required. Sometimes to tissue, okay, we have given thumb rule like this. If person name is given, it is a credit transaction. Person name is not given, it is a cash transaction. Okay, all students are keeping it in the mind blindly. So that's why sometimes to twist them, they'll give name and also extended that sentence for cash. In that case, it is a cash transaction. Okay, here purchases that involves goods and cash, both are a real account. A real account golden rule, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So that's why here what are coming in purchases that we debited and what is going out cash. That's why we credited the cash account. So like that we will write that simple entries. Any transaction, only two accounts, one on debit and one on credit side. Now we will see that multiple accounts when it will come. So see that a compound, it would be called as a compound journal entry consisting of three or more accounts. In total, we are saying, in total, general journal entry will have two accounts only, one on debit and one on credit. But here in compound journal entry, there are three or more accounts, merging two or more simple journal entries into one for convenience and efficiency. So, for instance, simple entry I will tell you, money paid to Krishna, money paid to Venkat. So, why do we write two times Krishna account data to cash, Venkat account data to cash? We will combine it, Krishna account data or Venkat account data to cash. So, that's why two accounts comes on debit side and one account on the credit side. Here I have given other examples. You see, loan repayment with interest. Generally, it is possible in these cases. And example 2, you see, payment and discount settled. We make some payment and thereby we get some discount. So what this is, you see, is complex component is loan data. We repaid loan. Loans generally, if they shows credit balance. Now we are repaying, so debit. We got some interest on it. By repaying that, we are paying some interest also. Interest also loss. Okay, nominal account it is, nominal account. But the golden rule of nominal account is debit all expenses and losses. So interest we debited and to cash account. Otherwise, this entry comes true, like loan account data to cash account, interest account data to cash account. We paid loan and we paid interest. But instead of that, we make one entry, loan account data, interest account data to cash account. In the same way, second one you see payment and discount settled. Payment and discount settled. So we make a payment to a party. Okay, debit the receiver. It is a personal account party. So personal account debit the receiver. And what we paid? Cash we paid. It is a real account. Debit comes in, credit goes out. Okay, it is going out, cash account. Discount. We got discount. By making that payment, we got some discount. Okay, in that case, discount also nominal account. The golden rule, credit all incomes and gains. So that's why we credited that discount account. Like this, we will see more of this compound entries. So what he said, three or more accounts in a particular entry. Generally, we are looking only two accounts, one debit and one credit. But in compound entries, three accounts, two on debit side or two on credit side or both sides. And another example, most beautiful, another example is opening entries and closing entries. Okay, our business is running and it is goes on forever. So some assets, some expenses, some incomes to be received, like that we are carrying forward. Generally, assets and liabilities we have to carry forward to next year. In that case, so many assets account data, all assets shows debit balance to various loan accounts and to capital account. It is best example, another best example for compound entries. All this will happen in these cases. So I hope you all understood with this, and I'm closing it. Thank you.